Welcome and thank you for checking out today's video. Today we're going to look into SanDisk external SSD 1TB Extreme Pro. It has up to 2000 megabyte per second transfer rate. Now that is fast, but wait, do we really get 2000 megabyte per second? We're going to find out by end of this video. First, we'll test it with my fairly new MacBook Pro with M1 chip. Then we'll test it with my older MacBook Pro mid-2012. Yeah, it's old. Just for fun, we'll also test it with Windows 10, which I have installed on my older MacBook Pro. We'll see how that goes. We have a lot to unpack, so let's get this going. We'll start with the Mac 1 Pro with M1 chip using the USB-C cable, and we'll format the drive as Apple file system before we start the test. Just to keep a track which device we are working on, you will see a label on top left corner of your screen. Let's do a quick test by transferring a file which is about 28.5 gigabytes to see how long it will take. The drive comes with the two cables, USB-A and USB-C. So while we're testing, why not test it with the USB-A cable as well? However, the MacBook Pro M1 does not have a USB-A port, so we're going to have to use an adapter. As you see, the test result is almost the same with the adapter. Now let's begin our testing with MacBook Pro mid-2012, the older one. This guy doesn't have USB-C, so we'll be testing with USB-A cable. I'll sum up all this transfer information at the end of this video. Let's finish up our testing with the Windows 10. I wouldn't really consider this as a true testing, but if you're curious, here we go. The Windows is installed on MacBook Pro with the boot camp. Here's the sum up for all of our testing today. You will find additional details in the description box below. I would love to see your feedback in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and click the bell icon to get new video updates.